chai? Chai
Hello?
किधर है?
Huh?
Chai किधर है? Chai.
Your voice is breaking, Ahmed. I can't hear you.
Really? Is
It's
it
a
till
while.
now? Now it's fine? Good, good, good. Where is your chai?
Can you hear me?
Your chai. I can hear you perfectly. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So as I mentioned, Jasmine Bassett is here in the house, not in my house, of course, in her house, but it's live. So thank you so much, Jasmine, for coming and Chai with Ahmed. Now, Jasmine, since you are very in rush and India is happening very well, so how is India right now? Is it everything's well?
Everything is fine. We are doing better now. The situation is under control. Things have started opening up. Today, malls are opening. So we're doing better now.
Great, so happy for you guys. So I will give you like 4 rapid questions about yourself. Then we go to the last segment called cultural exchange about
Okay.
India and Dubai, and that's it. So first question for you is, what is your biggest challenge till date?
Um, Honestly, my biggest challenge, Emma, till date is that I believe very easily in people. I trust people around me very easily. And I've realized this, that it's not right. You need to be smart about people and things, because everybody has motives behind, and I can't be so naive. So my biggest challenge is to be smart enough. I try my level best, but I'm this emotional and sensitive person who gets carried away.
Same as me. All the sweet people are like this. Now the next question is a rumor you heard about yourself and wasn't true.
What?
Yeah, a rumor you heard about yourself and wasn't true.
Ahmed, you're asking. There is a rumor about me every day. And rumors
Unfortunately,
are rumors. They can never be true. I mean, I think rumors about my life are more interesting than facts. That's why, I am always having some rumors around me going on. So it would be very difficult to say one, but yes, every day there's a rumor about me.
thanks to haters, let it be. Let it be. خلي ولي. Just
Yeah.
let it be. And anything you have took from the set to your house, because you guys, you have extravaganza set, beautiful set, but ever took something to your house?
No, I don't think I've ever taken anything from my set. I'm very professional that way. It's like work, work, home, home. No, I don't think I've ever taken anything.
Lovely. Okay, the last question. What is your ultimate dream in life?
My ultimate dream in life, to honestly, I have had a lot of ambitions and dreams, and that's the reason I've been struggling for years. It is not easy, Emma, to leave your home and struggle for years, and you see that feeling of having everything but leaving all those comforts and then getting into your zone where you're not comfortable and fighting for your dreams. So my ultimate goal is to make all my dreams come true. The reason I came to this city, I left home, my parents, and to make my parents feel really, really proud of myself, especially my grandmother, who's been an idol for me, and my support and strength. And she's always dreamt to see me in movies, Bollywood movies. So for
Inshallah.
her, for once, I really want her dream to come true.
Inshallah, we are
All
all
that
here with
time.
you, Jasmine.
Thank
We
you.
and your fans are all here, and you will reach. And then on that day, don't tell me, Ahmed, I cannot go live with you. You have to come live with me. And you're so sweet, Jasmine, honestly. Okay, now
Thank
to the last segment, cultural exchange. India is
Okay.
beautiful. It's extravaganza. So define India on your own point of view, and why should Arabs come to India?
What? Sorry, can you please repeat the question?
Yes, sure. Define India on your own point of view, and why Arabs, as us, we should come to India.
My country, India, is beautiful. It's gorgeous. The potential that we have, the speed, the rate at which we are growing. I think it's beautiful. It's amazing, and every Arab should definitely, and not just Arab, everybody in the world should definitely visit our country for the things, we have so much culturally. We have so many things to show: colors, food, traditions, culture, art, everything. We're so rich that way. Thak jayega, but you could never see all of it once. We have so much of it.
Now teach us one Hindi word, any Hindi basic word that you want us to learn.
Easiest word when you have to get out of a difficult situation. मुझे माफ कीजिए.
मुझे माफ कीजिए. Please, मुझे माफ कीजिए. In Arabic we say arjuk samhni. Arjuk samhni.
Samilni.
No, samhni.
Samehni. I think I can't. It's difficult.
It is right. Now let's go to the last bit. As I'm talking about Dubai. Now, what do you like about Dubai, and where can we find you easily?
The thing I love about Dubai is shopping and food and all the amazing places to chill, the cafes, the restaurants. If I'm in Dubai, you'll find me in Dubai Mall.
The best place. And by the way, in October, which is after 2 months, Expo 2020 is happening, which is the biggest event in all the world. So we have Indian Pavilion, which we will see all the history, technology about India, which I am so much excited. Now, lastly, of course, before leaving, I have to teach you some Arabic, right? So, how to say Zabardast in English?
Fabulous.
Fabulous. We can say Mumtaz.
Mumtaz.
Yes, Mumtaz or Rahib.
Then in Hindi, you can say Jasmine, because I know.
Oh, okay. Put Zabardast in a sentence of your own. Make it English. No. Make Mumtaz. Sorry, Mumtaz in a sentence of your own. Make Mumtaz in English, Arabic.
Jasmine is Mumtaz.
Jasmine is fantastic. Is Zabardast. Is MashaAllah. Now, again, before leaving, this last message you want to give to your Arab fans, and a message you want to give to the all people who have passion about anything, but then they lose interest because of trollers. Then they leave the social media, but they have that passion. So what do you want to say about that?
So basically, I get trolled almost every day, but then suddenly I have realized that these should not bother me, because I am sure I've surely made an impact. I have surely worked really hard. I've really achieved something in life that people are affected by me, and some people just give what they have. So people, those who have hatred, they troll me and they share what is inside them, and it shouldn't stop me. So same is with you guys. Whatever you want to do, just do. Don't just ignore, avoid trolling, because it's your life. You cannot live your life with regrets and guilt that, oh, I wish I would have done. It's totally in your control, in your hands. Don't let anybody bother you. If you're being trolled, that means you've surely made an impact on people, and people are affected by your opinion.
Completely true. Last message to your Arab fans before leaving.
To all my Arab fans, thank you so much. I know my show has been dubbed in Arab, and I hope you have a lot of fun. And I'll also try my best to keep entertaining you guys, and hopefully we'll visit Dubai soon, because it's one of my favorite destinations.
Thank you. You can say, I love you, my Arab fans, which means أحبكم, my Arab fans.
I love you, my Arab fans.
And Arabic, no. أحبكم.
How?
أحبكم.
أحبكم.
أحبكم, my Arab fans. We also love you, Jasmine. All the best for your career. And we are always here if you need anything. Your brother here from Dubai. And anything you need, just God bless you. And congratulations for your new